ऑन करलम।
चलो गाइस, आज आपका आ गया नया वीडियो।
अभी हम लोग का नया व्लॉग स्टार्ट हुआ। अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है सड़क पे। कैलकाटा की सड़कें हैं। होपफुली एवरीथिंग गोस वेल। लुक एट दैट R15।
फैक्ट्री इलाके में है। चलो रेसिडेंशियल एरिया के इलाके में जाते हैं, वहाँ पे जाके मस्ती करें।
ये मेरा भैया है साथ में, सनी भैया। अभी सो लेट्स होप दिस राइड गोज वेल। And the thing is that he doesn't have a helmet on right now, so we have to drive a bit. Means I usually drive safe, but the thing is that right now he's without an helmet, so we are gonna ride really slow and we are gonna open our throttle on like really big and huge roads. Hopefully you guys can see the whole screen right now. And here we have a whole view. Okay, so we're gonna go trek into a really like historical temple over here. Its name is the Parishnath Temple. I think you guys have already heard of it, like the Jain god. It's a really nice place to hang on. So here we are. Actually I don't have the correct accessories to like mount my camera on. I'm recording with my phone as usual, like I said in the first vlog. It's just like a street vlog right now, and I have to in fact improve my the speech, because
गाड़ियाँ परे परे चल रही है सड़कों पे।
सीरियसली गाड़ियाँ पड़े पड़े चल रही है सड़कों पे मैन। And the thing I was telling about, like I'm not that experienced like of vlogging, because vlogging I never done vlog before, so I don't know how to like talk and give speeches on it. My microphone wire is like hanging out totally from my helmet. Hopefully you guys can hear my voice very nicely. And here, this is a really beautiful place, man. Look at this. These are the sculptures done on this wall of this temple, and I myself personally like this place a lot. And as you guys can see, like what am I ever gonna show you, like show you see this. So हम लोग कहाँ पे रुके?
चलो अभी भाई सीधे तो चलो। देखते हैं कहाँ रुका जाए। राजूदा की दुकान में जाके रुके क्या?
Let's see, let's go. Let's take a try. We're gonna take a right, sorry, not a left. Like I have to queue up with the video, and that's why I'm talking like all these rubbish shits. Whatever. It's my second video, so I don't think much views will be there on it. I've been caught a bit cold from last few weeks, and I'm not being able to recover from it due to a lot of work. Come on man, चलो भैया चलो। ये राजू चलना रे। अरे बाप रे बाप। What bro, no, don't come behind man. If you ever do that, I'm gonna be so pissed and very badly fucked. I'm sorry for my words, but oh my god, so much noise man. The best thing is that the bike's exhaust sounds much better than these noises.
यहाँ पे राधे राधे चल रहा है।
हाँ भैया सीरियस मैन, राधे राधे। Oh my god, that was this bumper speed breaker. at least they have kept these roads intact without much potholes.
अरे काका.
And all the people who are watching this video, I hope and wish, request you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Look at this guy, he's in a really rush, man. And do subscribe, share, and do all the things that you can for me, at least, because I'm a growing YouTuber. I would love your love. And what else can I say? So Sanida, घाट जाई घाटे.
चल घाटे चल.
चलो, let's go.
Our destination has changed. Now we are heading for Ganga Ghat instead of Rajuda's Dukan.
From the chai shop to the Ganga shop, Ganga chai shop actually. Yeah. We have a really nice Dadu over here who has a chai shop running, and he really talks really nice with us. You can see so many people, man. If you don't know, that's a liquor shop over there. That's why it's a lot crowded over there. As you know, India's streets are filled with liquor shops and people who wanna buy liquor. So that's it. Hopefully we'll be able to reach Ganga, the ghats. And how much is my fuel? That's a lot. So we'll be able to reach Ganga by next 10 minutes. Oh, okay, no problem with that. When is the signal gonna get green, man? Last time I went out, it was in the morning. Last time I went out, it was in the morning, and it literally was really nice. Everything was green and all that. Means the roads were all empty.
सामने वाला रॉयल एनफील्ड मेरे दोस्त का है.
ओ देखो, हमारा दोस्त मिल गया हम लोग को रास्ते पे. In the signal. That's a good thing. He's in a Royal Enfield. He's going to his home. He has bought some sort of grocery items and all that. And as much as I can see, he's got a really nice number plate, man. That's WB01A, and that's a really local number plate over here. And very few people who stay right over this area, in this area, get this kind of plates. I've got a 08A, and he's got that one, man. 01A is not much easier to get. There we go. We almost we are 7 minutes away from Ganga Ghat. So I hope my voice isn't getting irritated by you. You're not getting irritated by my voice. I'm trying to keep my head up so that you can view the whole scenario. I never went out on by vlogging in streets at this time, because there are a lot of people who see my setup and laugh on it. But for doing YouTube is my love. I always wanted to do YouTube, upload YouTube videos and all. So let's see. The main fear I've got is that my phone is literally hanging right over here, so anyone can snatch my phone out of this holder and take it, and it's a really precious and way too much what is that word called, like बहुत महंगा है ये फ़ोन एक्चुअली मेरे लिए, not for everyone but मेरे लिए it is very महंगा, expensive या
सामने शाम को खाना है।
तो भैया भी बोल रहे कि सामने खाना है,
completely forgot I guess।
हम लोग को देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं, अभी पुलिस पकड़ेगा तो कुछ नहीं बोल सकते भाई, रुकना पड़ेगा, क्या ही बोले। सॉरी फॉर द काफी, होपफुली देयर इज नो गार्ड राइट नाउ, so
I don't think so.
God please make no guards. Okay, there's one guy without helmet coming through, so we are all safe and sound. Let's see. Yeah, there's no guard right now, so it's a good thing. We have almost reached Ganga. It's like 3 minutes to 4 minutes away. If you guys want, you can skip to the Ganga part, but whatever will happen in between this time, you won't be able to see that, isn't it?
This is a very congested area.
Yeah, exactly. No, not actually this one. I've been through more congested areas. Like it's, if you guys know, it's known as bikebd over
We
here.
all know, and your watchers are also they do know that you are the rider provider.
I'm a rider,
Then ever gonna fire.
provider. No, I'm not actually a rider. I'm a biker, free biker. I don't rush nothing. It's like clean time I spend riding.
Huh?
What? No, nothing.
Recording on?
It was always. Like, so brother is asking that if the recording is shut down or what. So I told him, yeah, no, it hasn't been. We are still recording it. So let's see. There we go. This is like 75% of the way. We have almost traveled to Ganga. We were like halting towards near my home, and oh my god, that's a huge speed breaker, man. Why do people make such kind of speed breakers over here? I think the government has to correct it. What?
The view is really cool.
Yeah, look at the view, man. Let me focus the camera. Oh my god, look at the view. That's really beautiful, man. Like I have to adjust the mobile frame, like because it's a mobile. Oh my god, there we go. And as you guys can see, I'm on 37. Not much, man, not much. Like some people see my videos and tell that you're riding really fast. Man, wait and watch, man. You should look behind first. And he's looking at me like nonsense, man. What the hell? Seriously? Like I am on a straight way, and he literally turned without any signals or anything. He didn't had any indicator on. I guess so. I haven't looked at his indicator, and no light was blinking in the either way. So whatever. So you can see the ghats. In the last video also I showed you the ghats, and there we go. We have almost reached it. We have reached it, man. So here we go, there we go, there we go. This is a beautiful view, man. Look at it. And the place where we are going, there's the view there is not much better, but still. Actually, I was not even gonna vlog right now, but my brother asked me to like record right now because it's a really nice time and nice weather. So I said, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Like it's a really nice day. We had a lot of good time today. And wow, look at that meteor, man. That's a silver meteor, man. Custom made. It was a custom made, man. That was really nice. Beautiful, man. Hopefully you guys can hear me clean and like clear. See, you can see so many people over here sitting. Let's rev a bit.
हॉर्न से ज़्यादा ये वाला साउंड काम में आता है.
हाँ exactly, man. हॉर्न से ज़्यादा ये साउंड सबसे ज़्यादा काम में आता है. And revving. Look, no one will look when you're like honking. Like, see this? Everyone looks at you whenever you like rev it out. Will be able to enjoy. Just the thing is that this place is crowded at this time. That's a 250R extreme. Nice, man. And he has maintained it really nice. Can you guys please give me a way? I wanna go to the ghats, man. Wait, man, bro, wait, uncle. Okay, so now you can see this. See this, just look at this. Wait, I'll show you. I know you guys are telling that what are we gonna see, you're telling us to see, but what are we are not being able to see anything. See, look at this. This is a beautiful place, man. There we go. Wow.